Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to install LinkedIn. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of downloading and installing the LinkedIn app on your mobile device. Whether you are a job seeker, professional, or business owner, LinkedIn is a powerful platform for networking and career growth. Let's get started. Firstly, open the App Store on your mobile device. Use the search bar at the top of the App Store and type in LinkedIn. This will bring up the LinkedIn app in the search results. Once you see the LinkedIn app icon, tap on it to open the app page, then click on the download or install button to start the installation process. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. After the installation is complete, you can find the LinkedIn app on your home screen. Tap on the LinkedIn icon to open the app. If you already have a LinkedIn account, log in with your credentials. If you are new to LinkedIn, you can sign up for a new account by following the on-screen instructions. Congratulations, you have successfully installed LinkedIn on your mobile device. Thank you for watching our tutorial on how to install LinkedIn. We hope this video was helpful in getting you started on this professional networking platform. Thank you.